This kid's life is lifing. By the way, this is the fifth book. Tama ba fifth? The fifth book for my Fully Booked Reading Challenge 2024. And I picked up a book of emotions and thoughts. I think this is one of the perfect reads for this prompt. Because obviously, it's full of emotions, it's full of thoughts. And I actually annotated it also. Ayan, may mga notes ako dyan. But parang ang onti, pero ang dami nito dito. Ayoko na patunayan. They said it's sad and it delivered. I cried. Like, not super cry, but I cried. And I would agree for those who are saying the plot is like kulang, it's lacking, it's like bitten or something. The plot is not very much of a favorite, but I am here for the emotions and thoughts and it delivered. So, if you want to read something that you can relate to, huwag nyo na lang isipin na this is a story of a point of view of a teenager. Kasi sometimes may natitrigger tayo ng ang bata-bata pa nito kung ano nung iniisip. Huwag nyo na lang isipin yung age niya or always keep in mind na this mental health issues, depression, anxiety, any of these feels and thoughts are ageless. If it sounds light for you, it doesn't mean it's not heavy for the others. So yes, I gave it a 4-star rating for isa lang na po. And I'm ready for my next prompt.